It is Saturday. It is currently, I don't know why I always have to tell you the exact time and day that I'm filming this. I think it's just nice for me to look back on and be like, oh yeah, that was Saturday. It is 5:10 and I am currently home alone. Joe has gone out with some of his friends tonight. They have gone and watched a movie. I've got the whole house to myself and I am so ready to just kind of wind down. This is my outfit that I wore today. I am obsessed with this little outfit. It's very simple. It's just a button-up shirt from Glasson. This skirt I actually thrifted last weekend, which I love so much. I'm gonna wear it all summer long. And then it's just like a nice white top that I've cut myself. And that's been my outfit today. Dressed all cute and springy. I'm so excited for spring. That reminds me, I need to get some flowers for the house. There's my little tripod. I want to get like a nice little vase right there and put some flowers in it. I need to clean this up. I need to clean this, so let's do that now. I'm gonna do my skincare. Why do I sound aggressive? Okay guys, so I'm gonna do my skincare now. I just basically want to take this makeup off my face. Look at me, I'm Sandra Day. That's good enough, you know? I look cute. Do I look cute? Please tell me I look cute. Oh, okay. Let's be real. I don't have any makeup wipes. The only thing I found was a tea towel. Don't judge, okay? If you don't judge me, I won't judge you. If you judge me, I won't judge you still. Whatever. This is all I have. It's washed, so it's clean. Behave, washing machine. It always makes so much noise. Okay, I'm going in with my oil cleanser and eye makeup remover from Linden Leaves. It's my favorite. Oh my goodness, it's my favorite. It smells delightful. Is it made in New Zealand? It's made with love in New Zealand. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I've used it. Can you guys tell I've used it this whole week? I really hope you guys aren't weirded out by my weirdness. I don't usually let people see this side of me, but this is who I am. Love me. Is that from Grey's Anatomy or something? Love me. Choose me. I haven't actually watched Grey's Anatomy. Don't come for me. Haven't had the opportunity to look at it. The cloth is wet. She is ready for her. Oh, that was really bad. Did you guys see that? I hope you can see this. I can't see what I'm recording, but we're just winging it. Wheelie, yay. Don't lie, we all look like this at least once a week. I've gotten my eyelashes tinted before, and I've gotten my eyelashes lifted, but it's just not the same thing as mascara. Who am I? Mascara. How do you say that word? I do not recommend using a tea towel to wipe your face. Skincare gurus don't come for me. This is real life, okay? I tinted my own eyelashes. But the problem with my tinted eyelashes is I don't know if I've actually removed all of my eye makeup. So then when I wake up sometimes in the morning, I literally look like a panda because it's deceiving. Do I still have eye makeup on, or is this just my tinted lashes? I don't know. We will find out tomorrow morning. Let me rinse one more time. Hate waking up and having panda eyes. I think it's a pet peeve actually. Yeah, I would say it's pet peeve half. Pet peeve? I'm going crazy. I don't know who I am when I'm by myself. This is what she gets up to and what she's like. Love me. Choose me. Okay, I feel fresh and clean. I'll go in with my Geo Skincare Anti-Aging Facial Essence. I think this is a serum. And now I'm going in with a facial cream. I can't. It's a picture. Oh, I love this moisturizer. She feels prepped and ready for bed. Prepped and ready to eat KFC. Yeah, that's what I'm having for dinner. I can feel you judging me. Love me. Choose me. Okay, that cannot be a joke now. I cannot make that joke every time. Do you guys put perfume on before you go to bed? Don't lie. I just love smelling like I'm going out before I go to bed. Anyone else? Okay, I'm done. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I'm done with my skincare. I'm sorry if that was not exciting, or I'm sorry it doesn't have 11 steps to it. I don't know. I love skincare and I think it's so good. I mean, my skin doesn't look the best and I could probably do a lot more to make it look better. But okay, listen, hear me out. When I buy an expensive skincare product that's like $120, right? And I use that on my skin every single day religiously, and I finish using it, I have to buy it again. Like, yeah, hello, common sense, Danicka, that's what you do when you run out of stuff, but the commitment, and then also like not using it and you breaking out, oh, I just don't have the time. So I literally just do my skincare whenever I want, whenever I feel like it. I don't have like a set routine I used to have. Yeah, I feel like there's a lot of pressure to be super into skincare in today's society. And like, I'm so for the movement because self-love, even though that's not really what self-love is, but taking care of your skin and your body is part of, you know, taking care of your mental health and whatnot, which I agree with. I hate it when you're made to feel bad that you don't have the perfect, most expensive skincare routine. That's all. That's my point. So, girl, if you don't have a proper skincare routine and you feel pressured to buy all these like expensive things, please don't fall for that pressure. If you do want to spend millions and trillions of dollars on skincare, do you, boo. If that's what your thing is, I support it. I absolutely think you should go for it, but I don't think you should do it just because everyone else is doing it. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna be completely honest with you. All of the skincare products that I have in this box here, I was given. I did not buy any of it. Probably the only thing I bought is Vaseline and my dry shampoo and my 2 moisturizers. But the rest of it, I got gifted through Instagram collaborations. So it makes it look like, oh, you know, oh, but she's got all that skincare stuff. Yeah, that I didn't buy with my own money. I just get given this stuff and that's why I use it. If I had to buy my own stuff, I probably wouldn't even have half of the stuff that I have in there. I can't afford it. Do you know what I mean? And I'm so grateful that I get to do what I do and I get to get given these things. But in the back of my mind, I would never, ever, ever want someone that's watching me to be like, oh, if I only had that much skincare, I'm gonna save up all my money and just buy skincare or clothes or whatever it is. Like those things are not important in life, okay? You're beautiful just the way you are. Just wash your face, you know? I don't think you need to do anything to obtain some sort of importance in today's life. You're just great just the way you are. With that being said, literally do whatever you want. I just don't like feeling pressured, and I hope that you can relate to that in some way.